are you fine today?
Yep.
Do you think that you are brave?
Yep.
Why? Because you ate some of healthy food. Very good, that's very good. So could you show me one of the healthy foods? A picture with a healthy food. Okay, there we have some types of healthy food. Which one is your favorite one? Could you tell me? Milk. Also you have got milk. Broccoli, it's a type of vegetables or fruits? It's a type of vegetables. What about milk? Is a drink or it's a food? It's one of the drinks. And why is it so useful if we drink a lot of milk? Why?
Because it makes you strong.
Because it can make you strong and also you said something else. Makes your skin to be white. Thanks so much. So what should we do? Should we put a tick or a cross? We should put a tick. Very good. Clap for Danny. In important. Okay. Today, as you know, we have learned about healthy food. So could you show me a type of healthy food and a type of unhealthy food? It means junk food. Show me a photo, a picture with a healthy food. Which one? Why they are healthy food? Why do we call them healthy food?
It's good.
Because it's good for our health.
You can run fast.
You can run fast. It can make you to be smart and
It's so tasty.
And they're so tasty because there are vegetables and fruits. It means that vegetables and fruits are healthy food and they are very good for our health and our body. What about junk food? Is it true if we eat a lot of junk food like pizza, hamburgers, donuts, hot dogs? Why?
Because you're gonna be fat.
You're gonna be fat. You cannot run fast.
You cannot like be
Very smart. And
like
you can memorize and you can recognize anything, and at the same time it's not healthy for your body. So how can you advise your friends do not eat a lot of junk food? Tell them.
don't eat junk food. Don't eat junk food.
Don't eat junk food anymore.